My name is John O'Donnell. I'm enrolled in the Doctor of Engineering program here at UM-Dearborn with a focus on electrical and computer science. My planned graduation date is either end of this year, 2023, or early 2024. The Doctor of Electrical Engineering program here at UM-Dearborn is focused on engineers who have got a lot of practical engineering experience and are interested in using that experience in the research and development space on some of the most challenging problems that are facing the engineering community. There's a lot of opportunities in the power systems space right now with the advent of non-wireless alternatives, the deployment of electric vehicles, with the opportunities that exist with microgrids and distributed energy resources, lots of great opportunities. But there's research and development needed for those opportunities to really provide benefits for end users, for the general public, and I wanted to participate in that. I wanted to get involved in that research and development to make best use of those opportunities. I've learned a lot about machine learning. Back when I was in school and during the course of my career, I haven't had a lot of opportunity to get involved with that a lot. I've certainly been interested. I've heard a little bit about it, but through the program I've got a lot to learn. I've learned a lot about machine learning and how it applies to real practical problems, the types of problems that I'm experiencing at work, and how I can apply it. I've also learned a lot about just generally research and development. Again, been around that space, but haven't had a lot of opportunity to get involved with it. Working with the professors here, I learned a lot about research and development and how you can use the overall body of knowledge to tackle a problem that you're faced with, and also how you can contribute to that body of knowledge. So in the Doctor of Engineering program, the primary class that we take is ECE 990. That's basically our research focus, the focus that we do on the research portion of our program. So with that in mind, that's probably my favorite course. I really like getting involved in that, getting involved in the research, thinking about how we can deploy technology, just make things better for people, how we can develop technology, using research, using the overall body of knowledge, contributing to that body of knowledge, contributing towards a greater vision. Really, that's my favorite class is the ECE 990. Biggest advice I'd have to somebody is don't wait, just jump into it. I've learned a lot from it. It's been a very welcoming environment. I really enjoyed working with the professors. They've helped me quite a bit. So I think that'd probably be it, is don't wait, just jump in and start learning. In the space that I'm working in, power systems, there's a lot of opportunity to use new technology. There's a lot of new technologies that are being deployed that we need to figure out how to fit into power systems in general. And with that, there's a lot of research and development that's needed with it. I've learned a lot about how to do research and development, again, how to look at the overall body of knowledge and how to bring that back to a particular problem you're challenged with. And then as you learn new things, contribute back to that community. And as you start to do more of that, it becomes greater benefits. It kind of snowballs from there. So I think that's helped me a lot to prepare for some of the things that are coming our way. There's a couple things that I think that make UM-Dearborn unique, and particularly the electrical engineering and computer science area. One of them, I think, is they're very welcoming. The professors here are great. They've been great to work with, collaborate with. They've taught me a lot. They're very knowledgeable. They're very willing to share that knowledge and help you develop in that space. So I think that's one big part to it. Another part that adds to that for me particularly is they're very willing to work with working professionals. I think the structure here at UM-Dearborn is set up to work with working professionals and let you get involved in that research and development space, into those learning opportunities, and still continue to grow in your career and your existing work path. My previous work experience, I've been in the power system space for about 32 years now, learning about predominantly in electrical engineering, learning about electrical engineering, the problems that face power systems over that 32 years. That combined with my previous education experience, I have bachelor's degrees in electrical engineering and physics. I have master's degrees in business administration and electrical engineering. Bringing all that together is what I've done here at the Doctor of Engineering program, and the professors have helped me a lot with coaching, learning new things on how to, new techniques that I can apply to those problems that are facing us in the power system space. It's really helped me think about how to bring research and development to some of the near-term problems so we can design the power system of the future, we can design the electrical system of the future and take advantage of the opportunities that are there. And that's what my research has been involved with here at U of M-Dearborn for my Doctor of Engineering program.